Today we're going to make some grilled banana splits. It's going to be so fun. I'm going to use the Ninja Foodi XL grill and some peanut butter and chocolate chips and a couple toppings. It's going to be a lot of fun. So let's start. It's so easy. You can use an indoor grill like this. You can use an outdoor grill. You can take it camping. You can do a lot of different things. And so it's nice for a summertime snack. Summer's coming up. All right, come on up and I'll show you what to do. All right, we're going to warm up the grill first. So I'm going to turn the Foodi on and we're going to select the grill status and start. We're going to start this out on high, so I'm going to preheat this grill a little bit. Here's what it looks like inside. Nice grill surface and an air fryer unit on top to help circulate the air. So we'll get that started. Over here I'll show you the toppings and things we're going to use. I'm going to grill the banana first, then I'm going to split it open and put some peanut butter and some chocolate chips on top. Put it back in the grill and let it melt. I'm going to top it with a little bit of Carnation instant milk. And then after that comes out, we'll top it off with some whipped cream, some pistachios, some sprinkles, whatever you like to put on for toppings. So as soon as this heats up a little bit, we'll put a couple bananas in there and start grilling them. Alright, we're going to open the grill. It's nice and hot. We're going to put 4 bananas. Just throw them on the grill. Now if you're in a camping situation, a little bit different kind of fireplace, you might want to put them in foil. But we're just using the indoor grill, so we're going to grill this and then I'm going to flip them over. What I want to happen here is I want the skins to get a little dark and the insides to get nice and soft. So we'll flip it in about 2 or 3 minutes. As we start the grill, I'm going to change this to 3 minutes. So it'll tell me when 3 minutes are up and I can flip them over. Alright, now you can see how the bananas have changed and you can start to smell the bananas flowing through the room. Because it has a vortex air system, some of the hot air came from the bottom too, so it's usually grilled a little on both sides when you do this, but I'm going to take the time to turn it over and start again. Alright, I'm going to go for another 3 minutes and we'll be back. Alright, let's check them out. Okay. Now, you can see the bananas start to cook out a little bit. That's a good indication. I'm going to take a toothpick just to show you. Look how soft that is. Look how soft that is. Perfect. Alright, let's get them out carefully and sit them in a little bowl to help support them. I think I'll put 2 in each bowl. Like that. Alright, I'm going to keep the lid closed just to keep this thing warm, but I will turn it off while we're working on the bananas. Come on over here and I'll show you the next step. I'm going to use the tongs just to avoid burning myself, but I'm going to split open the middle of each banana and then we're going to take another little spoon here and open it up a little bit. So this is going to be like the little serving tray. Okay. You can buy banana boats in the store, like to make a banana split, or you can buy hot dog holders that are paper. But what we want to do here is, while it's nice and hot, we're going to add a scoop of peanut butter to each one. Oh boy, it smells good. Now, And then we're going to sprinkle in some chocolate chips. All right, we're going to return these back to the grill. To hold them still, I'm going to just form a little foil holder here to give it a little support. And then we're going to slide the bananas back onto that. Try to keep them upright. All right, I'm going to set up the last two, and then we're just going to close the lid and let them melt. So I'll be right back when I get the other two in. All right, I'm going to split the banana open. Be careful you don't cut all the way through. Open it up a little bit. We're going to add a spoon of peanut butter.
That's my breakfast.
Rick's getting hungry. Wait till he sees his little...
Could put some bacon in there.
No bacon. No bacon. Okay, spread that out so it starts to melt. Add the you-know-what, chocolate chips. And just using a little bit of foil to support these, it'll be easy to take them out and put them into your bowl. All I'm going to do is close this lid because this grill is hot already, and we're going to use the residual heat in there just to melt those chips. Now while the chips are starting to melt, I'm going to add some Carnation instant milk. This gives a little creamy sweetness. You can see the shininess on the chips. We're just going to drizzle a little of this milk right in there. And for something like this, you can also use heavy cream. It just gives a little extra creaminess. So mixes good with the chocolate. Okay, we'll close it up again and give it another minute or two. We'll get ready for the final toppings. All right, let's take a look. Oh, nice and melty. This looks wonderful. You can tell the peanut butter. Oh gosh. Rick, how do you think that looks?
All right.
All right, let's get these over to our plate for the toppings.
Where's the bacon?
No bacon this time. Wow. Stop. All right, that first one went pretty easy. Let's move this one over too. Alright, now it's time for the toppings. First thing we do is whipped cream. I got some nice ready whip here. Okay, then we're going to add whatever toppings you like. Now since Rick is here, would you like some pistachios?
Yeah.
Do you want them on both?
Yeah. And then more chocolate chips maybe. You have that too, right?
Mm-hmm. Whatever you want here. I also have those little sprinkles. More chocolate chips.
Just a little bit. Yeah, that's good.
Because these will be like crunchy compared to the others. And then on mine I'm going to add some rainbow sprinkles. These are like little chocolate chips inside too.
Really?
Yeah.
You don't want no nuts?
Oh, I'll eat it like that.
Alright.
Wow, look at that. Now, do you want to taste these with me, Rick?
Yeah, I'll eat them.
Okay. There you go.
Thank you.
All right. We're going to let you know how they taste. But let's show them up close.
Mine's better.
Mine's better. Look how creamy inside. That's what I want to show you before I take a bite. You can scoop out the banana.
Do we eat the rind?
Let's look at this, Rick. It's like banana Foster.
Come on.
It's hot, be careful.
Do we eat the rind?
No, don't
You
eat
could
the
eat the
skin.
skin if you're a monkey. Yeah.
Oh, imagine this around a campfire. That'd be a nice after dinner snack, huh?
Peanut butter, melted.
It's
Melted banana.
It's really creamy inside. Wow, it's beautiful. Oh, I just have to show you another bite. Ooh. I think this is a nice summertime snack. Anytime you can go outside and use your grill, or if you can't grill outside, use your Ninja Foodi XL grill.
Or wintertime.
Thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked the treat.